Alright, so I'll be teaching you the pen vanish that you just saw before, and you're going to need just a pen, and you can use a pencil if you want, but I find a pen easier to handle. So if you can, use a pen, but it's fine if you use a pencil too. So this vanish, it's really easy just because you need to know one move, and you're doing that under the cover of your hand, and that's basically all. So here's the move. So it's called the flipstick, and you're going to have your index finger and your middle finger on the front of the pen and your thumb on the back of the pen. So to the spectator it looks like that, and you're going to come over with your middle finger and just push the pen back into your palm. And then to make it go back, you're going to use your ring finger and just push the pen back to where it was. So you just want to practice that until it's fast and smooth. Just keep on practicing it until you've got it down. And after that, I guess, you've basically done the whole move, I guess, because you're going to come over, you're going to hold the pen in your dominant hand, and you're going to come over with your other hand and do the flipstick move while it's in the cover of your non-dominant hand. So you're going to do the flipstick move, push back there, and then you're going to rotate your cover hand just like that, and use your index finger and thumb to make a circle and sort of twist it like that. And then to make it reappear again, you're going to move your hand back to where it was and do the move I taught you earlier where you push it back using your ring finger and push it back just like that. And then you're going to slowly, with your other hand, move it away and show the pen. So at full speed it should look like this. And just a quick tip, you don't want to do the flipstick move too soon, because otherwise it'll just look like the pen has vanished before, they'll probably be able to see the pen move to your palm over here. So that's why you want to make sure your whole hand is covering the pen before you do the move, because otherwise it'll be like this and the spectator will be able to see that. So that's basically the trick, but in the performance I did do one where I showed both hands empty. So here's how to do that. So you do the move before, and while you're twisting your hand like this, you're also going to need a table for this. So, or if you have a watch on, you can push it down into your watch and then show like this. Just be careful not to show the Sharpie or pen, sorry. But the way I did it in the performance was I did the move and I just pushed it back onto my lap. And then that way I could show both hands empty. I'll just show you that clip right now and see if you can spot it going to my lap. But yeah. And then that goes down onto my lap and then I show both hands. Alright, hope you enjoyed. That was a trick. I'll probably make more pen tricks in the future, so stick around for that. And see you in the next one. Bye.